Hi Populist, Steve here with this month's Culture Corner. This month I wanted to pay special attention to our brand new partnership with SQWIRE. I'm sure you've heard us talk about it here and there. It's our financial platform free of charge simply because you're a part of the team. Everybody is enrolled in SQWIRE at their 6-week mark of employment, and well, it's awesome. So I've been with the company for 10 years, right? Almost 10 years. And in those 10 years, right, I've had financial situations happen that were not planned for. And in making those decisions, right, I wish I would have had, the right information in front of my face consolidated for free to help me make those tough decisions that weren't planned for. And this is true for me. Well, it might be true for you. Here's the thing. Accessing financial information, as I'm sure you can attest, is difficult, right? You type in something on Google and they give you a billion pages, very hard to filter. You call a bank and they give you little information. You just cold call a financial representative somewhere and they want to charge you for your information. Are you kidding me? SQWIRE is on Populist. Again, because we're in the business of making your life better. Not only is SQWIRE for you, but it's for your family, your loved ones, your friends. I mean, 'tis the season. What better a gift to give than the one that keeps giving all year long, free, that folks can take confidently in the comfort in their own home, right, to their schedule. I mean, and so in making this video, I realized it would be hard to ask somebody to tell me how SQWIRE has impacted them, right? Because here's the thing. Financial affairs are extremely personal, right? That's why SQWIRE nor Populist, right? I or SQWIRE cannot access your information. Only you can. We can't see courses you've enrolled in, courses you've completed. Again, only you can. So here's the bottom line. SQWIRE is awesome and it has free resources for you to take advantage of. Like there's an ebook in there, there's Word docs, Excels, and PDFs you can print off and use. Just all to help you financially, right? There's 5-minute simple to understand videos following a little brief quiz just to make sure you're tracking, right? You could take that quiz as many times as you want. It's not the point. The point is to make sure you're understanding simple, basic financial affairs of your life, right? I know here most recently the 401k class or the 401k course really helped me out in making some crucial decisions that will affect me for a long time. So that's been super helpful for me along with some other classes. Those classes could be get out of debt, right? Retirement basics, investing basics, insurance. What about marriage and money? They even have a class on the generosity of giving. Now that's awesome, y'all. So here's the thing. SQWIRE is straightforward and it's for you. It's for me, right? It's for your loved ones. So then if you've been here more than 6 weeks and you haven't done so yet, I encourage you to register. It takes a minute or two, right? Spend a couple of minutes on the platform. Look around. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, reach out to your supervisor, right? All right, y'all. Till next time, I hope y'all have a great holiday, a happy new year, and let's go 2024, right? Woo! All right, bye, y'all.